Go to YouTube in this case, sorry. Pall Mall Vaporwave. That second one down.
So basically, you need to import this is a thing that exists in Python, but you need to call it. And then basically all it does is you feed it what you would type into PowerShell. So you say I'm going to run Python. You say I'm going to run this Python file, and then you can do all the arg parsing, right?
No.
So like,
what is argument parsing?
I'll show you. So when you call like a Python file, if they use arg parsing, like when you type it into PowerShell, like let's go get what I would do to do this is I would declare Python, and then I would say detect.py, so that's like the script that does everything. But then I would have to say, hey, use my webcam, and I could say, you know, like use model, you know, Yolov5 or something, right? And in Python, you have no way of doing this part. You can't. This is like a PowerShell sort of thing, and in that's like what all this is. All this code, it's arg parsing. It's like a can't see because
Sorry.
no, it's okay. It's a module, and it basically just lets the person say before they run the file, they need to declare some arguments, like, you know, the source of the video,
right,
blah blah blah, and that's, you know,
what's going on here?
What? Yeah, so I can just do this.
Bro, turn that ambient jam up a little more.
See, that's good. It's crazy, like, if you have your hand up in the position, it thinks it's a cell phone
because it sees so many training data, so much training data with the hand up.
Yeah. Another weird thing about this is it doesn't like to quit. You have to hold it almost, which is a little annoying. Like, it's almost using so much. It's like not detecting the keyboard very often. So that's basically what the pie triangle does. I'll show you what I changed in code here. Enjoy your shopping. Finally have a soundtrack for online shopping. There it is. So here's the part where I was like banging my head against. So this seems to be like the detection data. I don't really get it. And it's going to scale it to the image scale, and then it's going to round the values. And then this says for every XY top left, XY bottom right of the bounding boxes. All I did was say, like, circle equals this, and it somehow knows that I want to have that be drawn onto the thing. Like, I don't really get why. So I just, like, pulled it out, made a center point value, and some stuff. So I'm in the whole frame, so the center is very close to. Whoa, you okay?
Pull it back up.
Oh, yeah, sorry.
It might be tough. Oh, not. That is so incredible. I love it. Oh my god.
I mean, it looks like a TV. That's the thing. Like,
yeah, it really does. It's. Oh my god, it's gonna work.
I mean, in a lot of ways, it is kind of like a mouse remote. It definitely thinks a lot of things are segments and remotes. Definitely gets confused a bit there. But we can change the confidence of the rule.
Yep. Yeah, that it was such a negligible amount of more light, and it did help. So probably lighting will be important.
Yeah, we definitely have to have
Downwards. So.
Yeah.
Yep. Dude, it's pretty fucking good. Okay, that's really good. It's really good. Okay.
So here's what's weird. Like, sometimes quit just doesn't work.
Sorry.
No, you're good. I mean, that was weird that I've been wanting to do that. Just sort of like take it around and go like, what do you see? Yes,
Dude, I wish we could run it to the window and just see, you know, just see it, like what it, if it recognizes. Yeah, do we have a long one?
Oh, look at this guy.
What do you see?
Free alerts send instant notifications about your account activity to your cell phone or email. Get notified each time you spend or load money so that you can stay on top of your available balance. Have questions? Call the number on the back of your card or access your account information online 24 hours a day. What are you waiting for? Get your Evolve Visa prepaid card today.
and watch you from here. I'll come down in a minute.